To start using PayPal without a bank account, you will need to follow a few simple steps. First, go to the PayPal website and sign up for an account by providing your name, email address, and password. You will then be asked to confirm your email address by clicking on a link sent to you by PayPal. Once your account is set up, you can add funds to it using a credit or debit card, or by using PayPal's cash loading feature at participating retail stores. This feature allows you to add cash to your PayPal account by generating a barcode at the PayPal website and taking it to a participating retailer, such as a pharmacy or convenience store, where you can pay with cash and have the funds added to your account. You can also use PayPal's prepaid debit card, known as the PayPal Cash Card, which can be loaded with funds from your PayPal account and used to make purchases online or in store. To get a PayPal Cash Card, you will need to apply for one through the PayPal website and provide some identification information. Another option for using PayPal without a bank account is to use the service in conjunction with a prepaid debit card or gift card. Many prepaid debit cards and gift cards can be linked to a PayPal account, allowing you to use the funds on the card to make purchases through PayPal. It is worth noting that while you do not need a bank account to use PayPal, you will still need to provide some form of identification to verify your account. This can typically be done by providing a valid government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport. By following these steps, you can start using PayPal without a bank account and take advantage of the convenience and security that the service offers. Remember to always keep your account information and password secure, and to only use trusted devices and connections when accessing your account.